G'day guys, here's some tricks to compress your Windows 10 installation and free up space on a fresh install. This is ideal if you've just installed Windows on a Chromebook with a tiny hard drive. You can see here, our fresh install is taking up 13.2 gigs, so we'll see what we can get that down to. The first thing to do is run CompactOS. As the name implies, this compresses most Windows boot files to free up space, but it can increase boot time by a few seconds on low-end computers. I'm gonna click Start, type in CMD, right-click on it, run as admin, click Yes. We want to type in compact/CompactOS : always. Press enter. This should only take a few minutes. Once that's done, we can close off our command prompt. Next, we can compress the entire hard drive through Windows Explorer. After doing this, you might notice little arrows on your desktop icons. This just means the program it's linked to is compressed. Again, this can add a slight delay when loading programs on lower end hardware, but is generally not noticeable. So to do it, we want to right click on our hard drive. So for us, C drive, go down to Properties. At the bottom, select Compress this drive to save disk space, and click Apply. Make sure you have Apply changes to subfolders and files selected and not C drive only. Click OK, click Continue, click Ignore All, and this should also take a few minutes. Once it's finished compressing, we can click OK. Now we want to disable page filing. Page filing is when your computer uses hard drive space when running low on RAM. You want to right click on the Start menu, click on System. On the right hand side, Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change under Virtual Memory, unselect Automatically Manage Page Files, and click No Paging File at the bottom. Click OK, click OK again, and OK again. As mentioned, you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and click Restart Now. Once we've made the changes, we want to click Disk Cleanup. Select Cleanup System Files and check Windows Update Cleanup. Unfortunately, we aren't going to free up all 3.5 gig, but it should free up a little bit more space. Click OK and click Delete Files. Once Disk Cleanup's finished, we'll restart the computer one more time. The amount of space you can free up by doing this varies by computer. In this case, we only managed to free up around 100 meg, not much. Typically, on Chromebooks running Windows, you can expect to free up around 2 to 3 gig. I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.